Right there.
Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy, this is a 10-month video on literally one of our 3 favorite patients from last year.
We like everybody. Come on. But
and this guy's a big hoss of a dude. He does dangerous stuff on behalf of our country. And, of course, he fainted when I injected him.
well, the tougher they are, the faster they fall.
Yeah, we have 3 dudes a year faint, and they always are guys that look like that. And he had gotten done 1 strip and 1 FUE by a competitor, and was literally the nervousest, muscly guy I've ever seen. And we did, how many grafts were we doing? 15 or 1,600 grafts?
It was like around there. Yeah.
And with a strip. And this is what he looked like before. And now here's this video.
Now you can see my ink.
All right, Steve, you're, what did we say, 11 months out from us repairing you. You'd gotten done twice someplace else. Have I been up front with you? Any kind of bullshit?
Absolutely, you've been up front.
And I remember we just talked about it's probably going to be till 15 or 16 months to your final result. But you look good. I'm going to just touch your head here one time.
Sure.
A little bit. Any advice you got for any of these characters that might be looking at this?
You know,
Bend over a little bit.
everybody talks a good talk, but yeah. 2 unsuccessful attempts, and
Not with me, right?
no, not with you, sir. We finally got it right this time.
All right. Thanks, man. So, I mean, he's bubbly and effervescent. You would never know this guy does tough guy things.
Yeah.
And I see him every so often at the Safeway down the street, and he'll be in there just coming out of the gym looking like maybe Franco Colombo did back in '78, and he's walking through looking for turnips, and he's just a character. But he looks good.
Yeah, that looks really good, yes.
And so do your research if you're going to get a hair transplant. If you're going to get a repair case, be relaxed, but follow the rules, and be patient.
And patient, that's the most important, is patience after. Yeah.
And I know this dude will come back in at about 15 months, and we'll get one more video on him.
Yeah, he comes and visits all the time. Brings bagels.
Yeah. If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.